In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the site logo in Systeme.io in just about 5 minutes. This simple task can refresh your site's look and is essential if you're rebranding or updating your visuals. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps you'll need to follow. Firstly, you'll want to make your way to the Systeme.io https systeme.io dashboard/n login website. Here you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy because you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Once you've entered the needed details, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will take you to the main dashboard of your account. Once inside, you'll be able to see various sections that Systeme.io offers. You'll want to hover your mouse over the website section. It's a central hub for all things related to your site within the platform. When you hover over it, a menu will expand, showing you more options. From the expanded menu, you'll see an option labeled Sales Funnels. Click on it because that's where the magic happens. This section contains all your funnels, and you need to locate the funnel that includes the page where you want to change the logo. When you've found the right funnel, navigate to it and click on Edit Page. This button allows you to make modifications and alterations to your selected page. Now that you're viewing the editing interface, the next step is to find the existing logo on your page. Usually logos are positioned at the top of the page, so scan there initially. Once you spot your logo, look for a small gear icon in the corner, generally on the upper right. This gear icon is crucial because clicking on it will open the settings panel specific to the logo component. Within the settings panel, your focus is to find the section dedicated to managing the logo image. Systeme.io makes this quite convenient by providing an upload area where you can replace your current logo with a new one. When you find the upload section, there's an upload button waiting for you. Click that upload button. This will open a window allowing you to browse the files on your computer. You'll want to navigate to the location where you've stored your new logo image. Once you've found your desired logo file, select it and confirm your choice. The platform will handle uploading and replacing the old logo with the one you've just uploaded. With these steps complete, your site now proudly displays its new logo, and there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've successfully changed your site logo in Systeme.io. This can be a refreshing update and a significant step in maintaining your site's visual integrity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one.